Man, I can't believe Bowser destroyed the skateport 7 months ago. I wanted to come back. Wait, I know. I'm going to rebuild the skateport. We have the crew. Ready and on. So here's the broken So this is the broken skateport. The destroyed skateport that Bowser destroyed 7 months ago, and I wanted to come back. Oh, wait, I'll call my friends so they can rebuild the skate, but I need some tools. But I need supplies. And my friend to rebuild it. We need like 5 or 6 members. Oh, hi, Silk Dry Bowser. Hi, Silk Bowser. What are you up to? Will you help me rebuild the skateport? Sure. I'd love to rebuild the skateport with you. That Bowser destroyed? Yeah, my brother destroyed it. I had to run out fast, so... Yep. Hey, South Park members. Oh, hi. Oh, what are you doing outside the skateboard? We were going for a walk. Mom, we're just going for a walk. We're about to go ice skating, and what the heck happened here? Well, hi South Park gang. Nice to meet you all. Now that we have enough members, we will rebuild the skateport in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now. But first, we need to get some tools to rebuild it. Alright, I'm gonna get the tools and the construction vehicles from the basement now. The hammer. Some tools. I already got some tools. First, we'll use a screwdriver to rebuild it. And we'll first use the excavator to rebuild my it. My fan-made excavator. Let me go get my excavator. Go get my front load. My tractors. All right, I have the wheel loader ready. Alright, are you ready to rebuild the skateboard, everyone? Ready to rebuild the skateboard, everybody? Buddy, are you ready to rebuild it? Yes! Here we go. First, we'll do the first floor. First, we'll do the main hall of the skateport. So, Bowser, you will do the East Hall, and the South Park gang will do the West Hall. The West Hall. Let's get building. After they rebuild the first floor of the skateboard. And the main hall of the skateboard. Alright, gang. The main hall of the skateport's now rebuilt. Hold. Next, we need to... Next, soak dry Bowser. Next, we will build... the West Hall of the skateport. Alright. We need some hammers. We need the hammers. And hammer. Seven minutes later. Alright, gang. You rebuild the second part of the skateport. You guys rebuild the skateport. Alright. Thanks. Now we gotta build the east hallway of the skateport. So, Dry Bowser, build the east hall. Now we gotta build up the second floor of the skateport. Build some stairs. Alright, guys. I built stairs. Need a ladder. After they build the second floor of the skateport. Alright, everyone. We're almost done with the skateport. The only thing we have to do is put the roof on top. Done rebuilding the skateport. Almost done. Alright, everyone. We are now rebuilding up the second floor. Rebuild the roof. Need the hammer. Bam, bam, bam. Help us. Yep, now we gotta put a sign up that says, next you all have to leave. Because this is the most important part. That means so Dry Bowser will do. The sign that cannot allow Bowser. Alright, it's almost on. Glacier Point. Wow. Look at what we built. Wow. Finally rebuilt the skateboard. We finally rebuilt the skateboard. The skateboard. We rebuilt the skateboard. Look at what we built. Oh, wow. Look at what we built. A new skateport. Glacier Point Ice Complex is now rebuilt. Let's go inside. Wow, look at that new ice rink. Wow, now you can go ice skating. Wow, look at all of this. Wow. My mom will be so happy. My mom and dad will be impressed that I rebuilt the skateport. See the new room? Look at all this. Wow. An arcade. Look when I built an arcade. Look at my arcade. Wow. Look at that. And the skating contact. Glacier Point is now rebuilt. Thanks to everyone in my world. Now it's time to go home. Mom, Dad, and Bowser, guess what I did? What? I rebuilt the skateport.
Nice job, bud.
Nice job, Bowser. Nice job, bud. Bowser. Good job for rebuilding the skateport. Great job. You are ungrounded for life. You are not grounded anymore. You can do whatever you want. That means...
Subtract Bowser until you build the skateboard. That's it. You are grounded full up.
No.
Until the skateboard gets destroyed. Go to your room now.
Jesse and Sarah bought a boat.
I saw that. That's good, right?
We're gonna go out
Oh
Thursday.
my God.
Jesse's gonna take off Thursday.
Bowser. How dare you ground so Bowser. That's it. You are grounded until
Used boat? New boat?
I have no idea.
until September.
No,
Go
it's
to your
not
room now.
It's nice. It's a little boat.
So,
I will destroy
He's always wanted one.
apparently,
And as for
when
you,
Jefferson was
you are
elected,
ungrounded.
Hamilton
You can
moved
do whatever you
upstate
want.
to like a farm. He started
Thank you.
farming.
You're
And
the
he
best.
wrote one of